equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To start, gather your tools, a screwdriver, a clean cloth, and a replacement motor. First, unplug the vacuum. Remove the screws from the base using your screwdriver. Keep these screws safe for reassembly. Once the screws are out, gently lift the base to access the motor. Take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside. A clean vacuum performs better. Now, visually inspect the motor for any damage. If you notice anything unusual, consider a professional diagnosis without obligation. Next, disconnect the motor wires carefully. Remember, no calls, no travel. We offer pickup and delivery at your home. Replace the old motor with a new one, ensuring the wires are connected securely. Before reassembling, double-check everything. It's crucial to quote before repair, so you know the costs upfront. Finally, align the base and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Your Dyson SV22 is now ready for action. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll cover the final steps. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.